Hey, folks, let's talk about surveillance. It's very much a hot button topic right now. People are talking about it everywhere on all social media because everybody's caught on to the fact that flock cameras aren't it, that now we've got these Axon cameras, and there's another company that I can't remember right now, and I'm not going to go look up. I'm not going to get into the weeds with this. I'm going to be very, very honest, and I hope that people don't mind me saying some things that are going to come off as me gloating a little bit, but I fucking told you so. I've been fucking saying this. I don't know why now it's a hot button topic. I don't know why now people have started to recognize it. This shit has been like one of the things I've been talking about for over 2 years now is the fact that while everybody is over here like crying their little, thin blue line tears about how great law enforcement is, we're actively being forced into a police state where we are constantly surveilled by these fucking pigs. And no, I'm not going to be respectful about it. That's what it is. It's not just ICE. It's not some, it's not just like big crime guys, FBI, CIA kind of stuff. That's not it. It's fucking local law enforcement now are going to be able to tap into and use AI to do fucking pre-crime shit. I'm not making this shit up. Aaron Parnas reported on it today that the Trump administration is actively looking into pre-crime units using AI to determine if people are more likely to go commit a crime, and then they're going to go pick them up and say, well, the computer said that you might commit a crime. Fuck, if that's something that's really happening, I'm in a lot of trouble. Because I actively talk about doing crimes. Like, it's like, I'm just saying, like, if somebody's gonna get picked up, it was nice knowing y'all, is all I'm saying. I'm gonna end up putting a black bag somewhere pretty soon. This is horrifying. And if you think I'm overreacting, or you think that I'm, oh, why are you fear mongering and shit like that, listen, I found something that I had reposted like almost like fucking 8 years ago on Facebook. I found it like a week ago, and I've been trying to think of a video that I could say it in. But it said something to the effect of the road to fascism is paved with people telling you how much you're overreacting. And I mean, listen, as somebody who's been overreacting for over 10 years now, yeah, I'm really fucking tired of people telling me, oh, it's not that bad, or oh, it's this, or oh, it's that. And then when shit gets bad, they're like, what happened? How did it get this way? And I'm like, motherfuckers, I've been trying to tell y'all. And you didn't want to hear it then. You didn't want to hear it when I was telling you it was happening, but now that you see it, now everybody's got to fucking jump, right? We all got to do something. Now that it's too fucking late. So now the only way to actually combat the issue is to literally, physically combat the issue, is to go out and commit crimes to stop it, to pull down fucking cameras and shit. Otherwise, you are going to be surveilled from point A to point B. And I know there's all sorts of people out there that have this way of thinking of, well, if you're not doing anything wrong, then what does it matter if they watch you? That's not the point, you dipshits. It's not the point of whether you do anything wrong or not. The point is that you have no freedom anymore. They can watch you everywhere you go. They see everything. They know everything. It is an omniscient fucking all-seeing fucking eye of information gathering, constantly watching you. You can't pick your nose at a traffic light without it showing up at some fucking office somewhere where they're going to be like, well, I got picked his nose at a traffic light. Go get him. Book him, Dano. Like, are you fucking kidding me? They're going to be able to track whether or not you like stop by at fucking Krispy Kreme or Dunkin' Donuts on the way home because you want to break your fucking diet. And they're going to be like, well, this guy's not trustworthy because obviously look at him. He said that he was trying to burn calories. That's what the TikTok fucking microphone picked up. So we know he was trying to burn calories. Why is he stopping at Krispy Kreme? He's a fucking liar. Go pick him up. Book him, Dano. Like, I'm not overreacting here. I'm not exaggerating it. This is the kind of shit that if you're talking about pre-crime, these are the kind of things that it will look at. These are the kind of things that AI will look at. They will look at inconsistencies in movement. They will look at, well, why are you going over here? What is this about? They'll be able to flag you. And this is coming from a guy, I'm not joking about this when I tell you this, and this is something that I probably shouldn't tell everybody because you may think less of me, that is actively wearing an ankle monitor right now. I'm being tracked by the government right now. So, I mean, listen, if I go through it, I don't want you to go through it. If I was accused of doing something and didn't have the money to fight it and therefore now have to wear an ankle monitor, I don't want you to have to do that. I don't want you to have to worry about what you're doing every moment of the day because somebody might be watching you. How horrifying is that? It's fucking horrifying. I'm telling you that now. I've been telling you that. And so the idea that it's just happening, that our fucking president sank like $5 million into Axon now, like it literally funded them and is boosting this, like these things are going to be everywhere. And if we don't fight back at the local level and tell our local leaders and our state leaders that this is unacceptable and we will not do this and we will destroy them if they're in our fucking communities, we will cost them millions and millions and millions of dollars. We don't want our taxpayer money going to our surveillance. That's not what it's for. It's not to surveil us. It's to protect us, to feed us, to make it so we can go to a fucking hospital without bankrupting ourselves. It's to help us get through life so that we can, I don't know, have a life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. That's what the promise of America was, right? Not we will surveil you and tell you when you're going to commit a crime and stop you from doing it somewhere in the future, right? Or am I wrong about that? This shit's horrifying. And if you're not actively fucking terrified of this, then you don't understand it. This is not me fear-mongering. This is me saying, I fucking told people that this shit was happening. Nobody fucking listened. And now we are where we are today. And it's going to get worse and worse and worse. And I'm telling you this now. If you don't speak up, if you don't start talking about it, if you don't start saying something, if you don't do something about it, if you don't act on it, it's going to get worse and worse and worse. And they will have ears and eyes on you every fucking place you go. You will have no privacy. You will have no true freedom. And you will be always at threat of being picked up and taken away because some computer somewhere didn't like the way your face looked. This is horrifying. Take care of yourself. Take care of others. I'll talk to you soon.